competitive examination, you need to use mental calculation rather than pen paper work in order to save time. One of such a strategy today we are going to discuss about. Here in this session, just we are going to make equal half of the given number. That is, say for example, 50 is given. What is the division? That is, 50 is to be divided in two equal parts. Then what is your result? You can make 2 times 25, right? Likewise, what's the two equal parts of 20? That is, we can say 10 plus 10. That is two equal parts. Then what about 100? You can simply say 50 and 50. Now, these are the simple things we have made from the childhood. So now I'm asking you, what about the half of equal half of 112? For this, you can easily divide 100 plus 12. This is right. So here 100, what is the equal part of 100? That is 50 plus 50. Here 12, 6 plus 6. So take 150 and 6. So finally my answer is 56. This is to be done mentally without pen paper calculation. In the beginning stage it is okay, but you need to prepare mentally for this. Now just train your mind, that is drill. You can give drill yourself. So here 432, what is the half of this? So first I am taking the first two digits. What is the half of 32? 16. Simply I am writing for the ones and tens place 16. What is the half of 4? That is 2. Simply I can say the equal half of 432 is 216. Then the next one, what about 870? Take 70. What is the equal half of 70? Which is 35. What about 800? What is the half of 800? Which is 400. So simply I have written 4 into 100's place. Finally, the equal half of 870 is 435. What about the next one? 142. Here you can take like this. That is 42. Half is 21. Or else you can also take like this. 14 times 10, 140. What is the half of 140? Simply you take 70 plus what is the half of 2? 1. Finally, my answer is 71. Like this also you can evaluate. What about the last one? It is given 571. All these things we have taken everything even number. Here it is an odd number, that is 5. Here also odd number 57. What is my idea over here is, what is this 500 actually? Half of 500 is 250. First I have concentrated on the hundreds place. What about the next thing? 70. You can don't take it as 71 if it is difficult to you. Initial stage you can take it. What is the half of 70? 35 plus what is this 1? 1 is half of 1 is 0.5. Now simply you can add it up. 285.5. 285.5. Like this you can drill yourself. Now let's learn the way of doubling and halving with comparison to traditional way. First let's solve this 48 into 50 under the traditional way. How do you solve generally? Generally you will be hiding the 0, and what is 48 into 5? This is the smart way you will be doing under the traditional way. Simply saying 8 into 5, 40 carry over, 4 into 5, 20 plus 4, 24. Now you will be adding that 0 and you can say the answer 2400. This is traditional way. But instead of this, just we are going to solve the same sum under the doubling and halving method. How to do this? 48, here it is 50. This side I am making into 2. That is, I am going to double it. What is double of 50? Which is going to be 100. What is half of halving 48? Simply I can say 24. I can do all these things by mind. So finally my answer is 24 into 100, 2400. Then the next one, 50 into 240. Here it was given in the right side. Here it is given in the left side. This is multiplicand and this is the multiplier. However, you can do once if you are multiplying means on the opposite side you need to divide. However, this is called the balancing process. So here 50 into 2, that is going to be the 100. 240, dividing it by 2, I am getting 120. Finally, what is my answer? Yes, it is 12,000. Now, without doing these calculations, silly calculations, can you say the answer? Yes. This 5 I am going to consider as 10 and this 320 I can consider as half of 320. What is it? What is half of 32? 16. So, half of 320 is 160 into 10. Finally, my answer is 1600. Then the next one, 120 into 2.5 is given. Already we have seen so many values with the help of 5, 50 like that. Here it is given 2.5. How to arrive at 10 or 100, whatever it is? It is simple. 2 times, that is twice you need to do the doubling and halving process. Here 120, here 2.5. First I can double 2.5. So I will be getting 5. At the same time, I want to half this 120. So I am getting 60 into 5. Which is nothing. 120 into 2.5 will be equivalent to 60 into 5. If you are able to solve 6 into 5, 30, 300 like that, you can do it. Or else, you can also go forward one more step. That is, here doubling, here also 300. That's all. Now the next one is, what is the value for 180 into 25? Here you can also apply this doubling and halving trick to 25. How means? Here first step, I am halving 180 and doubling 25. It will be equivalent to 90 into 50. What is the next step? Again I can half 90, that is 45, and double 50, that is 100. Now can you see the answer? Yes. 45 into 100, simply I can say 4,500. That is the value for 180 into 25. Then the next one, 868 into 12.5. It is given. So 12.5 is nothing but half of 25. At least you must know this. Then you can easily adopt the trick. So here what is the half of 868? Which is 434. What is the double of 12.5? Which is 25. Now, what is the next step? Again, you want to half it, double it over here. What is the half of 4? Which is 2. What is half of 34? 17 into. What is the half, double of 25? Which is 50. One more step to go. What is it? What is the half of 217? Half of 200 is 100 plus. What is half of 17? Which is 8.5. Simply, I can't say it is 1 or 8.5. Here it is 100. Now, I am rewriting it 108.5 into 100. My answer is what? 10850. That's the trick.